Good evening, everybody. Welcome to this resume preparation session. So, my name is Avikal Chauhan, and I am the employee in 360DigiTMG as a trainer. So, today we are going to look for the different things like why we need to prepare the resume. Okay, what things we have to um, give in the resume. Okay, how we are going to make the tailor resume, what are the keywords you have to focus on, what kind of projects or essential things you have to keep it in your resume. We are going to look for each and everything. Okay, so in this first, what are the agenda we are I already discussed, you told you that we are going to look for why the tailor resume is needed. Okay, why tailor resume is needed. Okay, then understanding the job description, identify the relevant skill and experiences. And we are also going to look for the using the what are the effective keywords we are going to use in our resume for our job according to our job description. And customize layout of the resume and tailor cover letter and what are the best practices we are going to deal. So, in tailor resume, okay. So in tailor resume, first, we have to enhance the visibility and relevance of the hiring manager. Okay, your resume will be on a top list of the hiring managers. So you have to enhance the visibility. So that's why we are going to make the tailored resume. Okay, why? What are the other reason we are making the alignment with the job and culture? Okay, whatever the job description they have described in the job portal or what are the culture they have in their companies. Okay, through according to that you have to make your resume. You have to keep it in the resume. What are the skills they are required and experiences they are aligned with. Okay, and you also have to look for the job company culture. Okay. And when you make a tailored resume, it will going to increase the chances for the interview. Okay, it will going to increase the chances of the interview and critical for the standing out of competitive job market means whenever you're going to make a tailored resume, it will make stand out your resume apart from the all other resume which are not according to the job description or not tailored resume. Okay, so it will also going to benefit us, you. Okay, then. Then when you are going to make a tailored resume, what things you have to uh, think about? First, you have to look for the key skills identifications. Okay. What are the key skills they are asking in this particular job that you are looking for? Okay. According to that job description, you have to prioritize the skills and describe in your job description in your resume. Okay. What are the essential skills they are rightly focused on? Essential skills and qualification right now they are focused on in that's also they have mentioned in the job description. According to that, you are going to put it in your resume. Now, adoption for the job language, whatever the company's native language they are speaking in their company, okay, that you have to know about it. Okay, but mostly in India, you know that most of the company using the English language for the communication purpose. So I think for as an Indian company, you will not face any kind of language barrier. Okay. Then you are going to look for the, okay, according to job description, you able to know what, if you selected for the interview round, you able to know or predict what kind of question they are going to ask. Okay. They are going to ask the question according to the job description and you can prepare beforehand before going to the interview. Okay. Then, then what are the relevant skills? Okay. So you read the job description, and according to job description, you have to Did you know that the skills you they have described in the description, job description, are you have experience of those skills and relevant skills they have mentioned? You have to look for it, and if the skills are matching, you can put it in your resume and apply for it. Okay. Okay, highlights your achievement. Whatever the achievement you got in previous company or in your institution, you can mention those qualification or achievement in your resume. Okay. Prioritize your content means most relevant experience. You have to mention most relevant experience first. Okay. Like day by day, your experience is increasing. You are learning new things. So according to that, give the priority to the things you have learned currently. Okay. So when you are going to prioritize your content or you're going to put the experience that you are learning currently, so it will also called as updated regularly your resume. Okay, so that's why we are going to call it as a update your resume regularly and regularly for the better chance of interview. Then what are the keywords we are going to use? Okay, the keywords. So there are some kind of key effect keywords we are going to use. Like if you are using if you are applying a job in data science field, in data science field. So in this data science field, there are some keywords that you going to put into the resume like machine learning, okay, NLP, okay. Then you are going to say it, regression, okay, regression. These are the some things which the machine data science person or person who is applying for the data science have a knowledge about this. Okay, so these kind of things you have to know about. So exact keyword related which they have described in the job description, you can match your skills and put those keywords in your resume. Okay, integrated keywords into the description naturally. Whatever the keywords you are going to insert, it should be naturally inserted in according to your description. Okay, so maintain your natural flow for both the ATS and human reviewer. So this is a ATS. One is the ATS software. Okay, software which is used by HR people. HR people. So whatever they if they are put the job vacancy in the job portal or anywhere else, any number of job application going to come. So what happens? HR people not going to look for each and every job application they you have people have sent. So what they are going to do? They are going to put all the resume first in ATS software. So what this ATS software is going to do? This ATS software is going to match the skills according to job description. Are you fit for the company or not? Okay, are you able to match the culture of the job or not? What are the relevant experience you have right now? Are this experience relevant for this job description? All those things it's going to be look for. After this ATS software gives the clearance, okay, this is the filter your resume and give it to the HR people. Then HR people going to filter your resume furthermore. Okay, if your resume reach to the HR people, then you can consider your resume is perfectly according to the job description, and you will get the higher chances of applying for the job. So then avoid the keyword stuffing. Okay, focus on the relevance and integration. Means you don't have to describe the skills and experiences which is not required. Okay, which is not mentioned in the job description. Like you know about the accounting books. Okay, but the job is related to the IT company. So don't have to mention those things in your job description or job not job description in your resume. Okay. So you have to think about these things when you are applying for the when you are preparing for the resume. Okay. So customized layout. Oh, sorry. So what this customized layout going to do? In this customized layout, your resume, okay, your resume format should be in chronological order or functional order, combination of chronological or functional order. Okay. So whatever the font or size of the font you are going to use, it should be a it should be a enhanced or clear. Okay, it should not, the font should be not in such a way that it is very difficult for the reading for a human reviewer. Okay, and font is also not to be too short that it should not able to read by the computer or the human person. Okay, so you have to keep the font or the font size in a proper manner. Okay, so person can read easily. Okay, strategic placement. Position your critical information prominently. Whatever the critical information the job description is asking, you have to put those things in priority. Okay, and then what we are going to look for? Incorporate the subtle graphics and color accent. Like I said you, subtle graphics and accent you have to put it in your resume. It's not going to hamper your less attractive your resume. Okay. Then Then cover letter. Cover letter is the one thing which we are going to describe about yourself, why you are fit for this particular job, what are the skills and experiences you have in this job. Okay, why you are interested in this job opportunity, you are going to tell them. Okay, what are the experiences or goals align with this job description which is company has mentioned. Okay, what are the objectives you want to achieve with the company? That also you are going to mention in the cover letter. And at last, you are going to give a conclusion or closure about the job, about the cover letter you have mentioned about. Okay. Then, then what are the tips you are going to follow? Ensure the document is free from error. There should be no spelling mistakes. Okay. There should be not a kind of indentation mistake, phone number mistake, email ID mistake. If your resume also selected, if there is a mistake in your email ID, then it will go in. If HR people want to send you resume also, send you the opportunity also, then you can't able to access it because you have given the wrong email address. Okay. After making your resume, please verify your resume from the any mentor or career advisor or any person on whom you think it is a trustable person or you can trust on him, and it will going to give you the fair advice. Okay, from them you can get your feedback. Okay, keep it current. Okay, whatever the resume you are making, please keep it current. Okay, update your resume regularly, and updated resume or updated skills you have to be keep it at priority. Okay, or prior to the all the experiences, and engage in the network of professional connection. Sorry, professional connection. So what's going to happen? Like the connection is talking about like if you want to apply a job for the data science. So ensure that you are going to be in a network of the professional who are working in that domain or in that job description, like data science field and all. So it will going to enhance your connection, and through the enhancing of your connection, you will get the better opportunity to apply for the job or getting a job. Okay. Then there are the some of the sites like Naukri, Shine, Indeed. Okay. These are the famous job sites where you can apply for the job. And the most important, LinkedIn. This is the very best way to apply for the job and networking also. Okay. Then, then what are the keywords you are going to use for the data science resume people? Like you can see it here, machine learning, SQL, data mining, cleaning, classification, clustering, computer vision. All these kind of keyword you can use it in your job description as a keyword for data science resume. Okay. Then, yeah. Then these are some of the common queries people may have in their mind. What to do, what do you worry about? Okay, they're going to ask you the question, the interviewer, if you got into that round. They are also going to ask you, are you feel to work in the nights also or weekends? That question they are going to ask you from, and they are also going to ask, are you willing to relocate or travel if needed? So these kind of questions generally they are going to ask the HR people if you are got selected. Okay, then okay. So this is the one quotation which is very inspiring quotation. I don't know anything with certainty, but seeing the star makes me dream. Means your dream is to get a job, but sometimes you are applying for a job for a week, months, applying every day, but still you are not getting any call or an opportunity from the anywhere. So sometimes we feel hopeless. So for don't feel hopeless, we have give this quotation. I don't know anything with certainty because there is no certainty you will get the job in some job description you have applied. But seeing the star makes me dream means you are getting n number of jobs in your portals. Through that, you will have an opportunity, but you have to keep it dreaming, and dream will come true. Okay, so you can. Uh, so this is our contact number to 360 for any kind of training you want. Okay, our office in Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Chennai. You can also follow us in Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn. Okay, till then, thank you all and have a nice day.